Well, good morning. Welcome to Nigerian Food Channel. It's your boy Franklin. It's Sunday today. Pretty quiet, but I decided to go to a local cafe just to try out their full English breakfast. Okay, so come with me.
Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry. In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry.
Yeah. All done. Nice and yummy. Right. So there you have it. It was a nice meal. So I'm going to give you a quick background about English breakfast. I've got a little note for you here. A full breakfast is a breakfast meal that typically includes, bacon, sausages, eggs, and usually baked beans, right? And then you have a beverage, tea or coffee, and also served with what's it called now? Slices of toast. Some people like white bread or brown bread. I normally prefer, brown bread. It comes in different regional variants and it's referred to by different names depending on the area you're having it. Okay. However, it's also known as fry up. You go into some local cafe and stuff around the UK. Can I have a fry up, please? They know exactly what you're talking about. It's also referred to as, full English breakfast in England, right? And yeah, and then if you go, it's very popular in most cafes, most pubs. Pubs are like, public establishments where people drink, beverages and all that stuff, adult stuff. But another thing is, it's also known as all-day breakfast in most hotels and restaurants or cafes and pubs that serve English breakfast. So basically what it means is it could be 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and if you walk into a pub that serves full English breakfast, they will be able to serve you with full English breakfast. But what some people do is, if you're having it in some places, they might say, do you want the bacon, the sausages, the egg and all that? And then some people might have a portion of chips on the side, instead of having toast or something like that. But anyway, there you have it. Just my local cafe. Decided to go in there and have a nice English breakfast. So that's me done. It's your boy Franklin. If you haven't, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, let me see. Check me out on Instagram, on my personal Instagram account at Franklin, and the one for the food channel at the Nigerian Food Channel. That's me done. It's your boy Franklin. And yeah, I promise to see you in the next video. Okay. Boom.